Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be unboxing a new visor that I have ordered from my helmet. So let's do the unboxing. So I ordered this from a website known as Visor Wala. They have multiple visors for like different companies like MT helmets or XOR helmets and all those. So this is the visor that I have ordered. The color of this visor is clear blue, and it is a night visor as well. So in night you won't be seeing the headlight glares of other vehicles. Let me show you the color of this. Especially good for the night ride. You can see the color. It's like clear but with a blue tint. So while riding in daytime it stays clear, but while riding night it is like anti-glare. The high beam headlight won't affect your vision at all. So let me bring my helmet and then we can install this. So this is my MT Thunder 4 helmet. You can see. And in order to get the stock visor out, I just have to push. It got a easy release mechanism here in MT Thunder 4 helmets. That's it from one side and from other side as well. Press this and it will come off easily. Now let's install our new visor. It has to be like this, and just that's it. From the other side, that's it. So easy. Now it also matches the color of my helmet really good. So let me show you how it looks. So as you can see, this is how it looks. It is actually matching the color of my helmet really good. So this is how it looks. And this is how it looks on me. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.